Birds by Waranavich. Birds, birds, I too want to be released and move away from these people, to spread my wings to be far wide away, and be a bird like you, and go to be free from silence and shadows. Birds, birds, I too want to fly by a wings, and with the silver moon to dagger the chest of darkness, and go to the home of golden-haired sun, and knock on its door, and go to visit the city of lovers. Birds, birds, I too want to be happy and be free, spread my wings and travel to the countryside. I too want to be birds and go to the land of laughter. Oh, birds, birds,